Oh yeah, we got our pasta. We have our fish with a little butter beans. Deliciosis. Deliciosis. Look, he's speechless. He's speechless.
Mommy, did you think?
Me? Me? Happy New Year, fam. How are you guys doing? It's been a minute since we sat down and just had a chat. So I'm just gonna be chatting with you guys about my New Year goals, my New Year plans, give you a good word of encouragement, and just show you little stuff that I got for Christmas. And yeah, so let's get into the video. Yeah, so 2024 was a journey. It was definitely a journey and a lot of learning experiences for me. So going forth in the year of 2025, I have made up in my mind that I really just want to be really focused on my goals and my plans. And when I say really focused, it's like I've always, I always move with having goals and having plans. But with me is in my mind, I say what it is I want to do, and then basically I go forth and I do. But this year I just want to be a little bit more focused and really sit down, write it out, and plan, and and just kind of like have a map in the way that I'm going to execute my plan. Yeah, so I, there's things that I really want to do. You know what I'm saying? And I just want to make my quality of life better, because I firmly believe that we should improve as people. Like there's never a moment to where we feel like, okay, I'm done, everything is done, I got it all. Like, no, I just really feel like as long as we live, we keep growing and growing, right? So I want to do things. I want to be better as far as my career go. I want to be better financially. I want my traveling to be better, honey. I just want to be all around better, because I believe that you just get better and you keep trying and trying. 25 is looking like for me. And as we go on in our relationship in these YouTube streets, I will be letting you guys know a little bit more and more of what I do or what I'm doing. Okay, all right, so let's get into these little gifts that I wanted to show you guys. There's some stuff that I got for Christmas that I felt like, okay, let me share with you. All right, so I wanted to share these Uggs with y'all. I picked them up when I saw them in the calling my name. When I saw them in the store, I think I did a clip when I was in the store and I was Christmas shopping when I picked these out. Okay, so they look so good on the shelves. And here they round like slipper Uggs. They have the thick strap that says like the strap. You can see it, the caramel or tan fur. And this is what they look like. And I really wanted them. And when I saw them, you know what, you guys? Honestly, now that I have, because I did wear them. Now that I have, be honest with you, I couldn't have did without. First of all, these in a size 10. Okay, I usually get an 11, but I tried these on and I got them in a 10. They do fit. However, I didn't like toe was right there at the point. And it just, how like when your big toe just rubs up on something. And I think it's because I really clipped my nail, but still my toe was like reaching right there at the top. And it just feels weird. Like the heel part, it just feels like weird. I can't explain it. And then like when I'm walking in it, it just feels like clomp. And I don't know, it just wasn't comfortable like my Uggs that I usually get. It just didn't feel comfortable. This shoe to me does not feel comfortable. And if I'm gonna buy a comfortable shoe, I really want it to feel comfortable. So I wasn't getting that with this, Honestly, I could have this is a purchase, that I really could have done without. I'm not saying that I'm not gonna wear them, I will, but honestly, I would not buy another pair of these, yeah? So I don't know, do you guys have these? And if you do, you like them? I don't know, it's just something about that heel that's just giving me no, yeah. I got these right here. Okay, let me see. A new Apple Watch, 49 millimeter. Is that how you say it? 49. Yeah, I got that. I like it. I like being able to have. The reason why I got it is because, like, sometimes, like, if you have your phone and your phone is not charged up and say it dies, then you know you have your watch, right? And so I did like that. Or sometimes if you're in a mall or you're out and you don't want to take the bag, or you can't find the phone in the bag, you have your watch. So these are some of the reasons. Now this strap right here is not the strap that came with it. I got the strap from 5 of them. I messed it up. It was like, it was supposed to be, it was one of the double wrap around your wrist type, but it was just too big, so it wasn't going around double. That's number one. Then I cut it mad corny, so I'm looking for some straps, some nice strap to go with it. It came with, you guys, it came with these black, like rubber type like straps, which, hey, but it's just not my style. Like if I'm dressing down casual or something like that, then it's pretty cool. But what I really wanted a fancier, I want like a gold band and a silver band and maybe a leather band, okay? You guys know of anywhere I can purchase? Probably off of Amazon. I just need to take time to do it. But yeah, so I did get the watch and I like it. I like how big the face is, right? So I got that. I love that purchase. And also a new iPhone, and I can't show it to you guys because I'm filming on it right now, the iPhone 16 Plus. So that's the phone that I did get, which I'm filming off of right now. The camera is really nice. I like it. I am not one of those persons that is like tech savvy or anything. So I'm pretty sure that this 16 can do a lot of stuff, which, you know, I don't know yet. I haven't explored it like that, but I did get a new phone. And what else did I get, you guys, that I want to share? I ordered this right here. This is when Macy's you know, they had a little Christmas sale. So this was the Macy's favorite scents, and it is the Luxe sampler set for her. So I got it because I wanted to try some of the black. Okay, so this is the Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. So that's the first one right here. Okay, all right, the Black Opium. I've heard a lot about this one, that it smells so good, but I wanted to try it for myself, you guys. And let's see. So here's the Black Opium. That smells really good, you guys. It's sweet. It's real sweet, and it smells like vanilla. I smell vanilla. I do not know, I really don't know what the notes are, but I do smell vanilla. So that's this one right here. This one is called Jo Malone. This is the Jo Malone English Pear. Okay, Jo Malone English Pear. Let me just put a little piece right here. This is a very fresh scent. Very fresh. It smells fruity. Very fresh, very fruity. Like, so if you like a very fresh scent, but potent. Smells really, it smells like a very clean, fresh, crisp scent. Let me see. This one right here called the Lazy Sunday. It says it's replica Mason Margiela. It has replica Lazy Sunday Morning. Okay, let's see what this smells like. I've heard a lot about this. Okay, this too is also a fresh scent. This is a very fresh scent, a very crisp scent. Yeah, it's very fresh. It's almost like, let me see, floral? It's like a little, it smells floral to me, okay? And last but not least is the this is a Tom Ford Black Orchid. Tom Ford Black Orchid. I've been wanting to, I've never smelled these. I wanted to see if I would like these or not before I buy, because they're pretty pricey. And I'm like, let me try it before I buy it. And even though I hear other people review, everybody's nose is not the same. Everybody knows it's definitely not the same. So let's see. This is a good idea, you guys. I don't know if they still have these sets or what, a Christmas special, but it's good to like buy the little bottles first before you go all out and buy the big bottle. You know, this is kind of, you know what, guys? It smells like a nut. It smells like some type of nut type of a scent. It almost smells like a peanut. All right, that's kind of different for me. I don't know. I don't know if this is something that I would go and buy. Honestly, it smells like a peanut oil or some type of nut oil. But maybe the dry down is different. But yeah, that's what it's giving. So I don't know too much about that Tom Ford Black Orchid. Let me know in the comments, tried that before, the Tom Ford Black Orchid. Do you feel the same? Do you feel that it smelled kind of, it's giving like a kind of nut-like smell to me? I'm not for sure, but let me know. Give me your opinion and tell me what you guys. Because see, this is why math was very fundamental when we was going to school. For those of us who did not pay attention. When I ordered this, I did not realize that it was gonna be this small. I think the price was like $48, and I was like, oh yeah, ooh, what a deal! I got me a deal. This is the Saint Laurent Libre. I do have a bigger bottle of this. I bought this before. It smells absolutely phenomenal. But the reason why I really got this is because, first of all, I thought it was bigger. Let's just say that. And then because of the red lipstick. The Dior, the red lipstick that came with it. So I thought it was gonna, I just thought it was gonna be bigger. It was not. This is like the little tester size. So when I did receive it, I was like, see girl, see. This is why you should have been paying attention in school. But either, neither here or there. This is the red lipstick that I be seeing. I believe I be seeing the girls wear the Dior red lipstick. It does not have the name on it, but I will look it up and see what the name is and put it in the description box. But I wanted like a ruby red, a deeper red lipstick. And so I got this right here. And let's see. Yeah, that's nice. Yes, that's nice. Yes. So that color is looking really good. So it's like the deeper ruby red type. Ooh, I love that for me. So now that I have it, tried it on, I definitely would get the right size. But yeah, I love that. Like again, I would get the name and put it in the description box, okay? Yes, I purchased that set right there. All right. And last but not least, what I wanted to show you guys, I'm excited for this one. So I was talking about goal planning, and I saw this at Burlington. You know how you're standing in line and waiting to ring up your stuff? And so they have like a plethora of stuff as you're walking to ring up just for you to buy more. And this caught my eye. So it's like a little planner here. And I like that. On the front of the planner, it has like a clipboard. You can use it as a clipboard. It has a clip where you can clip paper right there, right there in the front. This is like a cross, and it says, blessed. Blessed is she who has believed that the Lord would fulfill his promise to her. Luke 1 verses 4 and 5. Okay? Luke 1 verses 45. So I like it because it's the hardcover. I love the encouraging scripture that's on the front. I love that it has a clip where I can put the paper on the front. Okay? It has this little gold band right here where you can keep it closed. Right? But then when you open it up, I love it because over here it has the little where you can put loose paper, worksheets or whatever. You can put it in on this side, which has like a folder flap, and then it has like a part where you can put your notebook where you can do your writing and stuff and your planning. So I like this because this can help organize me, help keep myself together, to make my notes, whatever it is, whatever I want to use it for. And I'm a girly who loves to write. I love to write. I like to write down and jot down notes and stuff like that. I mean, I have to because I will forget, trust me. So I love that for me. And I picked this up and it's so cute. It's really cute. So, boom, there it is. I plan to get a smaller one to fit in my purse. Yeah, when I'm brainstorming and I'm thinking I'm not at home, I have one in my purse as well. So, yeah, so those are a couple of things that I just wanted to share with you guys, all right? So in the comments, write what did you get? What was your favorite thing that you got? I really want to read your comments. You know I love your comments, you guys. And yeah, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share me out. And don't forget to leave those comments.